This is Chef Deborah, and today I'm here again to share to you a new recipe. I will share to you my New York cheesecake recipe, but we will make a twist for this recipe. So this recipe, you can make it even it is plain, or you can add any fruits or jams that you want. This recipe, I called it a blueberry cheesecake. This is a very nice recipe. No need to use flour and no need to put any gelatin. I know you will love this recipe, so we can start now. For the ingredients, 300 grams of biscuit crumbs, 600 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of cream, 5 grams of vanilla, 2 eggs, 100 grams of blueberry peelings. For the procedure, add the butter to the biscuit crumbs and mix all together until incorporated. You can now put to the springform pan. Then, firmly press the biscuit crumbs to the pan. And then, you can set aside. And now, put the cream cheese to the bowl. Add the egg one at a time. Add the cream. Add the icing sugar. Add the blueberry peelings. And then add vanilla. And now add the mixture on the top of the biscuit crumbs. It's ready for baking. Bake at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. You can garnish on top a blueberry peelings and any decoration as you want. Divide it into 8 slices. And now, it's ready to serve. I want to try it now. I know, it tastes so good. Like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching and enjoy baking at home.